Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. So before you hit that buy or sell button, just stop. Because most traders, they lose money for one simple reason. They skip the most important step. So let me show you what I do before every trade and how Prime Market Terminal helps me do it in minutes. So over here, this is Prime Market Terminal, and it's a trading software that you can use. And let's take a look, for example, Australia, New Zealand. Over here, we see the symbol, we see seasonality pattern, DMX, fundamentals, bank research, smart bias, the change in a month, 3 month, 12 month, the trend, etc, etc. So when I click on that and I'm interested in this trade, over here we see, you see that the DMX, the dump money index, is really bearish. So it's also really interesting for me. Over here we see it's neutral, slightly bullish, and we see that as mentioned, the DMX, which means that these are the retail traders. When they go short, the price probably goes to the upside, and many people are going short at the moment. 92%, 8% is going long. So what do we need to do? We need to look for bullish candles, right, for bullish trades. And as you can see, the last months from July, price only went up. It only went up, right? Was already a really good time to buy, maybe with this breakout, for example, or this another breakout that you could have taken. But that is really important for me to identify if I want to take a trade or not. And here we have many other indicators. We have the commitment of traders from Australian and the New Zealand dollar. We also have, let's take a look. So we have seasonality. Seasonality at the moment, what did they say? They say price might go up a little bit, but later this year it will go down regarding the seasonality. But if we go back to, let's take a look over here, we see the fundamentals are overall bullish. The bank research is neutral, and the smart bias is very bullish. So that shows me I should probably take a buy trade. But before that, we jump to the technical analysis. So we go back and we click on, let's say, a look, charting. And we see 30-minute, we see the 4-hour, we see the daily and the hourly. We see it went really nicely to the upside. But let's take a look. If I zoom out, I see that it is near a long-term resistance level. So price also might go down now because there was a really big move. But regarding the fundamentals, it says that the Australian dollar should go up because of their interest policy. So that could be a trigger to move even higher. But this is what I do before I take a trade. I always do fundamental analysis first to find out if this is a good moment, if the fundamentals also align with the technicals, and if that's the case, then I take the trade. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in this kind of software, just check out the link as well down below in the description. And let me just take a look really quick over here. This is the website, Power Your Trading with Data, that moves charts. They have all kind of features. If I click on product, for example, they showcase what they have, what they offer, institutional insights, next-gen charting, microeconomic data, order flow, and volume tools. So many things that I think traders could use. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.